For centuries, ginger has been revered not only as a culinary staple, but also as a powerful natural remedy. But did you know that this humble root may hold the key to unlocking your weight loss potential? Let's explore the fascinating, lesser-known secrets of ginger and how it can support you on your journey toward a healthier, leaner you. Ginger, with its distinctive spicy flavor and aromatic scent, is packed with compounds that go far beyond taste. One of the primary bioactive ingredients in ginger is gingerol, a powerhouse with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. But when it comes to weight loss, ginger's magic lies in how it interacts with your metabolism and digestive system. First, ginger has been shown to stimulate thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. By slightly increasing your core temperature, ginger can help boost your metabolism, leading your body to burn more fat even while at rest. This subtle, ongoing effect can make a surprising difference over time, especially when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. But that's just the beginning. Ginger also has a remarkable ability to suppress appetite. Scientific studies suggest that consuming ginger may help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals and making it easier to control your calorie intake. This is partly due to its impact on certain hormones that regulate hunger, helping you resist cravings and stay on track with your goals. Beyond metabolism and appetite control, ginger works wonders for digestion. Good digestion is often an overlooked aspect of weight management, yet it's crucial for nutrient absorption and gut health. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, easing the breakdown and assimilation of food. It can alleviate bloating, discomfort, and sluggish digestion, all of which can hinder your progress and leave you feeling weighed down. What's more, ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels. Spikes and crashes in blood sugar can trigger intense hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to healthy eating habits. By stabilizing blood glucose, ginger helps keep your energy steady and your appetite in check, a vital secret weapon for anyone striving to lose weight. Let's talk about inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation in the body has been linked to obesity and difficulty losing weight. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help soothe the body from the inside out, supporting the healing process and creating a more favorable environment for fat loss. If you're wondering how to incorporate ginger into your routine, the options are both simple and delicious. Try adding freshly grated ginger to your morning smoothie or steeping it as a warming tea. Sprinkle it into soups, stir-fries, or salad dressings for a zesty kick. Even a small daily dose can make a meaningful difference when used consistently. It's important to remember, however, that ginger is not a miracle cure. The real secret lies in combining its benefits with a wholesome lifestyle. Use ginger as an ally alongside nutritious foods, regular movement, plenty of water, and restorative sleep. Over time, these healthy habits work in harmony to deliver lasting results. As you unlock the hidden secrets of ginger for weight loss, you'll discover that sometimes nature's simplest gifts provide the most profound support. Let ginger inspire you to enjoy each step of your journey, savoring not only the flavors, but the well-being that comes from nurturing your body, mind, and spirit. Embrace this ancient root and let its quiet power guide you toward a healthier, happier you.